The drill, so you're having trouble while you're doing this, you tend to straighten your right leg, right? So Nick Faldo, he had a drill where it's a split stance drill, it's called, where you put your right foot forward like this, and your left foot back. See how where my feet are? Right? And I'm going to sit on my right leg, okay? So, because now, the only thing I got is my right leg, because my left leg's out of there, okay? And then triangle shoulder to shoulder, and the idea is to help you keep the flex in your leg.
Yeah.
So you're going to see here, when I did this one for you, how the flex in my right leg, right, which is really my posture, it's going to help me keep my posture, is going to stay the same as I go back. See how the knee flex is the same, right? And then as I turn back the other way, I'm going to keep that flex the same also.